When you're factoring polynomials, that could be the case where you get a difference of squares, a difference of cubes, or a sum of cubes. The difference of squares would be a squared value subtracted by another squared value. The difference of cubes would be a value to the third power subtracted by another value to the third power, and the sum of cubes will be two terms to the third power added to each other. I will go over these examples in the following minutes. This is the first polynomial we're going to factor, and we have to look carefully at this example. I added at the bottom which one is the formula I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a difference of squares, but you have to look carefully at your expression. I have y squared minus this minus x squared plus 6x minus 9. That's the polynomial I want to factor. I can factor out a negative from these values, and then I will have y squared minus x squared minus 6x plus 9. And now it's easy to see that I can factor out this trinomial portion over here using the perfect square trinomial from the previous examples. Oh, sorry, perfect. If you notice, we have x squared, which would be my first term, x squared. The last term, this will be my x, this will be my y. It's 3 squared. And it looks like the middle term, it would be x times 3 times 2. 2 times x times 3. Which means we can factor out this polynomial right now as y squared minus x minus 3 squared. If you need help with this, understanding this portion right here, please go back and look at the previous video on this playlist, Perfect Square Trinomials. And now that we have it like this as a difference of squares, we can use this formula. I'm going to factor this polynomial as y plus x minus 3 and y minus x minus 3. Let me make some space. Oh. From this point on, it's a matter of distributing this negative sign, and I got my answer. This polynomial right here, the original one, it's going to be factored as y plus x minus 3 times y minus x plus 3.